Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to join Roblox Blade Ball Discord server to get codes. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. Okay, first of all, you need to open Discord and scroll to the bottom of your server list, and here you will see this plus icon which is at a server button, so you need to click it. Then you need to click join a server button. And in the invite link, you need to type the exactly same thing, guys. Discord.gg. So this is the address, guys. 7 capital H, N, 9 capital M, Z, capital V, capital D, M, and capital A. So you need to write exactly the same thing, and then you need to click the join server button right here, and you will be redirected to Blade Ball Discord server. And so we are joined, and here you can see the codes section, and you will find the codes right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.